If your CapCut video or picture shows as deleted, missing, or moved, don't worry though. This is a really common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few clicks. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to relink missing media in CapCut, so your project can load again without having to start over. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your CapCut project and look for the clip that is showing as missing in the timeline or in the media library. You'll usually see an offline, deleted, or missing file warning, which means CapCut can no longer find the original file on your computer. Instead of deleting the project, the solution is to reconnect that file manually. To do that, right-click on the missing media clip. A menu should appear with different options, and from there, you want to select Link to Media. This tells CapCut that you want to reconnect the project to the original photo or video file. After you click that option, CapCut will open a file browser window so you can search for the missing media on your computer. Now take a moment to find the file. It may have been moved to a different folder, renamed, or stored somewhere else on your device. Browse through your folders carefully, and once you locate the correct video or picture, click on it once to select it. Then hit Open. CapCut will use that file to relink the missing clip, and in most cases the media should instantly reappear in your project. Once the file is linked again, go back to your timeline and check that the video or image is showing correctly. If you had multiple missing files, you may need to repeat the same process for each one. The important thing is to make sure you are selecting the exact file that was originally used in the project so everything matches properly. If the media still doesn't show up, double check whether the file was moved to another drive, renamed recently, or deleted from your device entirely. In that case, you may need to restore it from backup or re-download it before relinking. But for most users, simply using Link to Media and finding the file again solves the problem fast. So to recap, right-click the missing clip, choose Link to Media, locate the moved or renamed file, and click Open to restore your CapCut project. If this tutorial saved your project, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy editing fixes and CapCut tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.